Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix Monopoly Go node loading. There's a few simple steps that you can do to actually do that. The first thing is, and it might sound a little bit simple, but slap the like button. It's just making sure that you have Wi-Fi or that you're not connected to a VPN and or you have internet from a mobile service. Sometimes that can be an issue. I know this sounds very basic, but this is the first thing you can do. The next thing you can do is go over to General, click on iPhone storage, open the app, open the actual app, and you want to offload it, right? This, in this situation, this would be the Monopoly Go app. You want to offload all the information, and then basically that that resets all the data with it. Next thing you can do is go on the App Store and just make sure you uninstall it or install it, or if you have an update option right here, you want to click it. If you have the open option, that should be good enough. And the last thing you can do is just restart your phone. That's pretty much most of the things you can do. If this still does not work for you, a software update might help, which is general software update right here. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. Slap the like button. See you next one. Bye.